over the years. 20, 50 years here has 20, 15 years here have 5,000 people come here one day. 5,000 in here. So, Yilan Railway Station in March 24, 9,000 building ending 1919. Yilan Railway Station was originally to a retrograde building, and then with a surrounding 对对港森林 and a 3 meter of the park. A comprehensive retaining conversation.
右边看到前面
Yes, a map. So, with a house for Taiwan's most rapid train station, with kangaroo.
Yeah.
The kangaroo welcome many people in Yilan. Many people come here from is 欢迎光临，就是 welcome, it's welcome. Now, teacher books. Oh, thank you very much. Sorry.
Anyone need to use the
And nice to meet you again. And now I'm going to introduce the construction on your left-hand side. And the first one is 旧书会. It is a second-hand store. The construction, you can see the construction is a little old. And it was actually called Yilan Hanghou. This was a warehouse. The places people used to stack goods or things. Because there's a train station, railway station here, and train deliver the goods here, and they put things in the warehouse. And it was built in 1990, and so it's almost 100 years old. This is the construction, and in this recent year, the government rebuilt the place into as a arts and cultural center. Local artists they can rent the place and make some activities. Like games, that's all my introduce here. Later we move in, and you can see there are some old school display on the wall or in the streets or in the room, and I think it's a history combination with our old age, because it was built in 1990 year, and in that period it was actually Japanese period. Taiwan was
colonized by Japan.
Japanese 1919, Taiwan was colonized by Japan. So during that period.
But during that period, our government is so it makes but most of it maybe removed after Taiwan. And that's all my just lecture. Now
There is Jimmy theme park. You can see many. Thank you. There you can see from Jimmy the picture book, and the author is all Jimmy too. You can see many travel bugs because the imagery of the park is travel. Or you may see the movie called Turn Left, Turn Right, a movie. 向左走向右走。Some of the park is from that movie. This place also make people happy. Okay. So when it is holiday, you can see many people like that. Especially the fans of the Jimmy.
玩家找说我找吴先生，给你9折扣。
Come here. Take picture. Just watching. The park had finished in 2013. And a long time ago, there was an old dormitory behind this train station. So now it's become a nice place where people can relax and have fun. So, okay, thank you very much.
The postcard vending machine. Okay. It has a name called the postcard vending machine, the happiness of postcard. Okay, and here you can write down, you can use the vending machine and buy a postcard with the drawing of Mr. Jimmy. That's the part that here. All of this, because Mr. Jimmy is the Ilan people, so we use his artwork and make a postcard. And you can buy one and send it back to your family. And here it says that you can write down, only writing down the words can describe your feel and love to your family. So you can take a look. Yeah, thank you. Diu Forest Park. Okay, this park is as you can see, the park is the shape of a tree. Okay, this park is designed by a famous architecture in Ilan called Huang Shenyuan, and this was built during the Minguo 97年. And its name Diu is named after a famous folk rhyme. The Diu itself means that it's describing the sound of a raindrop where the train is going through. So, as you can see, that the ST Park is built by 9 trees, and the 9 trees together they form up a very giant tree, and as tall as 14 meters. So, the reason that why the architect built this design as a tree is because the old name of our Ilan city is called Jiuqiong, and his name is Jiuqiong is a iron tree. So he built a iron tree design structure to help us remember our old name of our Ilan. So as you can see that
in this park we also have the very famous the Mr. Jimmy artwork collection. That is train, and you can see that there's a little boy and little girl. They look up from the train station, and it's like they are going to have a fantastic journey with you all. So during the weekend, there's a lot of people gathering around here, and they buying stuff or performing artistic performance. So later you can walk around and take some, maybe you can buy some stuff and or you can watch some performance by the street artists. Okay, thank you.